First thing we want to do is separate our egg yolks from our egg whites for our presidential ice cream. This recipe is based off of one handwritten by President Thomas Jefferson. He probably learned it while he was in France. And you have to remember, this is going to be a little bit different from modern day ice cream. So with your egg yolks, you're going to cream them all together so they're nice and smooth and creamy. We're going to add a cup of sugar, a dash of salt to our yolk mixture. Get it all smoothed in there. And the next thing we're going to do is bring our cream to a gentle boil. Now you have to watch this, so make sure you have mom and dad's help. And then we're going to add that cream over the top of our yolk mixture. So there we go. Slowly stir it in, because remember, this is going to be hot and the bowl could get hot too. If you have a double boiler, you can use that. I didn't have one, so I took a pot of hot water. I set my bowl inside and let my water boil, and then I slowly stirred my mixture over that pot of hot water. Remember to use mom and dad's help. After that's all nice and thick, put it through a strainer so we get all the goop out. And then taking your mixture, your ice cream mixture, you're going to pour it into a mold, or you can just keep it in the bowl. I have mine over a bed of rock salt and ice. With modern freezers, you can use your refrigerator, your freezer. Let it sit for a few hours and it will solidify. And this is a really fun recipe to do. It's not going to taste like modern ice cream. Think more of a custard. But every time everybody went to Thomas Jefferson's house, they always wrote about it in their letters, their diaries. They thought it was the greatest summer treat ever. And remember, they were making this without electricity, so no modern hand mixers, no refrigeration. So it was quite a bit of work to make some really tasty presidential ice cream.